setting is very easy. So this one is to set up the height of the parabola.
Sure, sure.
But because the parabola is far away in the front,
Yeah,
it got to tilt.
yeah.
So this is what I've added. I didn't set it up. I'll find.
Sure, no problem.
Ah, I know why. So this is the setting,
Yep.
and this mark will help. This is to stop it at the
Okay.
right place.
Oh, sure.
So the screw goes in here.
Yep.
And if you don't know, this is the right place.
Okay.
And because the screw goes in the hole, it doesn't go left to right. It won't fall.
Sure.
This is the setting. And now you add this one in.
Okay.
And when it's inside, there's the hole. You put the pin inside.
Sure.
Okay?
Okay.
Once, so you open it, there is a hole for here.
Oh, wow.
It's very easy to open. It's the original Ray-Gril.
Oh, yeah. Zoom in on that.
So, yep, try it this way. And here, you have it that way.
Okay. Oh, you just slide it in. Okay.
After, you have to find
Yep.
the shadow should be in the center. I'm not teaching you nothing.
Yep.
And when the shadow is okay, here's the shadow, the shadow,
Yep.
the shadow.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So it's
Oh,
very
bullseye.
hot. All right,
Yeah. Oh,
it's
yeah.
hot here
Oh,
now.
yeah.
But when the sun is low, it wants to tilt. I have a wait.
Oh, sure. There we go. That makes sense.
So I adjust the tripod to have it space behind me.
Mhm.
And depending on the weight you put, I made some holes.
Sure. Oh, yeah, beautiful.
If there is little weight, lots of weight, and this one will help to stop it, but it's not strong enough.
Sure.
Here it's too close.
Yep.
If it was far, so the setup is done. After you adjust, you can look at the shadow here,
Yep.
and here you can feel the heat. So it's very fast.
Wow. And so this is the
The original one, Ray-Gril from 1960.
yeah, Tarchichi? This is the guy's name?
No, not
No?
Tarsici. This
Not
one is
Tarsici.
Ray. The
Okay.
Tarsici has two. It opens like this.
Right, okay.
The one that is at the MoMA.
Sure, sure. So not
MoMA
the
Museum.
not the same designer did this.
No.
Someone else. Okay.
No,
Yeah.
it's not Tarsici. This one is Ray-Gril. His name was Ray.
Okay.
So this one is the original with the logo on it. So you have it.
Yes.
And
Oh, thank
depending, you can sometimes make it a little bit tighter if you want.
you. Yeah.
And you have the string behind
Yep.
here. to, if you want to make it a little bit smaller or a
Sure.
little bit bigger. It's quite long to move it, but you can move it.
Yeah.
This one is not, the focus is not small, so you need a big pot.
Yep.
That is why I enjoy cooking with this kind.
Oh
When
yeah.
I make hot sandwiches with ham and cheese, bread,
Sure.
ham and cheese, I turn it, then I cut in half or four, whatever, and I give to children, and they enjoy eating that. It's very, I have very beautiful pictures with kids eating these hot sandwiches.
Yes.
Is it fine?
Yes. In fact, that is very compact because it'll be just that, and then I have weights.
Yes,
and-
you can adjust the weight. You
Yeah.
can maybe make it shorter, longer.
Yeah.
This is the first one I made.
Yeah.
So maybe it's a little bit too long. You see, this one is not very often
Oh,
needed.
it's probably plenty fine. Yeah.
So
yeah.
you have to check and
Yeah.
to make it as you will use.
Yep.
To have it the lighter and the shorter
Yep.
as possible.
Yeah, I'm just thinking for packing it up, I won't need the actual
No,
weight.
this,
Yeah.
this I
Perfect.
keep. It's too heavy.
Great.
You can
Yeah.
find this.
Yeah,
It's very
that'll be
easy
perfect.
to find.
Yeah.
So when you want to fold, it's quite easy to fold. And this one you have at the video, we've looked yesterday, De Funès pour Solaire.
Mm-hmm.
And this one is the French actor, which is a funny actor who makes laugh everyone. And he shows to Japanese that he cooks an egg with this one.
All right.
That's what on YouTube you
Sure.
find the video. So this is easy to set up.
Oh yeah.
Now I do not need the weight anymore. This is a air chamber from a tire.
Sure.
That's good. Take it out. It's not hot anymore.
Yep.
I take it out. And I screw again so I don't lose the screw. So here the screw goes in there, so it doesn't move that way.
Yep.
Folding. And the last one again. Have it straight.
Sure.
And this screw is for it to stop turning. It doesn't turn.
Sure.
Now I can take it. I screw back to not lose it. Then I should be able, I don't know which one closes. The tripod is big, so very stable.
Yes. Yeah, whenever it's at least as wide as the diameter of the parabola, that's more than enough, I have found.
So
Yeah.
it's quite easy
Oh,
to set up.
thank you so much.